Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to use live captions in Samsung Mobile, how to activate live captions. What are live captions? Live captions are subtitles which are coming downside on the screen when any music or video or speech is detected. So not wasting much of your time, if this video will be helpful the persons who are hard on hearing. So if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So how to activate? Just pull down the notification panel, slide it, and here you will find live caption. It is on. From here you can make off, you can make on. If you are not finding it here, then what will you do? Just tap on the plus side and you will find it here only. If you are finding it here, then just drag it down to here and then done. Now you can activate from here. So this is what you can do from notification panel, but alternatively you can also do from this setting and then go to the accessibility and then go to the hearing enhancement, and here live caption. From here you can toggle off on. Here are some options you can use. Live captions will work with time being only with English language, and the persons who are hard on hearing can also use the adopt sound. Means adopt sound gives you perfect sound that is tuned just for your ears depending upon your age. Under the 30 years old, it will boost high frequencies, then 30 to 60 high and mid frequencies, and over 60 years old it will boost all frequencies. And from here you can also select the preferred ears up for the call also. The person who are hard on hearing can utilize these functions. So but this video is only for enabling live captions. Live captions will be helpful for the person who are hard on hearing because it will convert the music, speech or video languages into English subtitles. So if you are finding this video useful, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.